Hi, Hari. Today we are going to draw a tulip flower very easily. So let's begin the drawing. First we draw a petal in the middle, then like a mirror on the opposite side we can draw another petal like this. Then we extend one at the right side and another one in the left side. Make another extension of the petals we see from the other side and draw like here. Okay, so in the bottom there are two petals distributed like here, like this. Then we can draw a stick and the flower is on the water. All right. This is a lotus flower. Let's draw a darker shade at the bottom. And we can make it really a darker one. Okay. We can put the colors from the center to outwards. And again you can put the color from the top of each petal like this. Now the flower looks nice. Let's draw the green for the stick, and we can put blue in the bottom to show the water. For more detailing purpose we can draw little shades like this, and the elaboration, the more we work on the drawing, the more it's going to look nice and detailed. Usually when you put shades like this, it looks like it's getting a 3D effect on the drawing. We can play with the lights and shadow in this sector, because the work or lots of words on lights and shadow makes the drawing more interesting. So the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Please do the practice. Stay with Blue Hands Drawing. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.